Come down with your hands up. Walk to the sound of my voice. With your hands up.
Nah, no visual. He's at the very west side. But he's right there. Get contact. Coming down, north side.
Put your hands up. Guillermo Medina. Put your hands up.
Let me on the side of the street. Hey, push this way. Push this way. Hey. Get it inside the car. Coming our way.
However, Mr. Medina did not comply with the officer's instructions and instead proceeded to his vehicle and drove away from the location, leading the officers on an approximately 59-minute vehicle pursuit through the West Los Angeles area. During the vehicle pursuit, Medina committed dozens of hazardous vehicle code violations, which included numerous instances of excessive speed, failing to stop for red lights and stop signs, and traveling on the wrong side of the roadway. At one point, Mr. Medina can be seen committing what appears to be an act of felony assault with a deadly weapon, ramming a stopped vehicle ahead of him and forcing it into the path of oncoming traffic on a major thoroughfare in order to evade the officers. This other vehicle was occupied by 4 adult passengers.
So what did he do? Hey, what happened?
Oh, he just had a dog up here. He's paranoid schizophrenic.
You have a gun?
3 days, he has a gun.
What's he doing with the gun?
He's been walking like this, waving it.
Waving it? Pointing at you?
No, not at me. Just doing this.
He's waving the... To Merrimack with RP. He's going to reconfirm ADW. Subject was in fear for her life and safety. Suspect was running, waving the gun around.
Still red at Romaine.
Romaine. Oh no, is he in Hollywood?
I believe so.
Oh God, he would have killed himself. Oh my God, he's going to Cahuenga Park.
Who?
He's going to Cahuenga Park.
Why?
He's going to kill himself. He said if he ever...
Is there something you know that I should know?
No, Cahuenga Park. He said if he's ever going to die in a shootout, it's going to be at Cahuenga Park.
Right.
Because he's from Rebels. That's the gang up there.
Wait, he's from... Wait, no.
Rebels.
He's from Rebels, but like he said, what park?
Speeds are down to 20 miles an hour.
Oh, he's dying. Oh my God.
No.
Oh
No,
my God.
Central from Santa Monica.
As the pursuit continued, Mr. Medina made his way back toward the Culver City area. At approximately 1:30 a.m., Mr. Medina crashed and damaged his vehicle, causing him to drive on the wrong side of the road at Washington Boulevard and Irving Place. The disabled vehicle came to a stop and Mr. Medina immediately exited and ran north on Cardiff Avenue. Officers pursued Mr. Medina on foot, identifying themselves repeatedly as the police and ordering Medina several times to stop running. As they ran after Medina, an officer can be heard shouting repeatedly, "He's reaching into his waistband," as Medina trips and falls to the ground.
Stop! Stop! Police! Stop! Stop! Stop running! You're gonna get fucking shot! Stop running! You're gonna get shot! Stop fucking running! He's reaching his waistband! Yeah, I got him. Reaching his waistband. He's reaching his waistband. Put your hands up!
As Mr. Medina rose to his feet and continued to flee northbound on Cardiff Avenue, an officer can be heard saying that Medina is armed with a firearm, shouting, "Gun in hand, gun in hand, gun in right hand."
Put your fucking hands up! Gun in hand, gun in hand! Gun in right hand! No fun.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Don't fucking move!
Shots fired, shots fired.
Move! Shots fired, shots fired. Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Shots fired, shots fired. Shots fired, shots fired. Hands up!